Hello and welcome to Gunge Garage. I'm Ed and this is my monster pit bike. As you can see, the tank doesn't fit. That's because this tank is not for a pit bike, it is for a normal bike. So today I am going to attempt a cut and shut. I've never attempted this before, nor do I have a clue what I'm doing. So please feel free to drop any comments or any advice or tips. Any help would go a long way with this one. I will be attempting to weld the stainless steel to the mild steel, purely for aesthetics and fun.